Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today we're diving deep into the DJI Avata 2, a game changer in aerial innovation. As we take flight with this cutting-edge drone, I'll be your guide, providing insightful reviews, flight tests, and everything you need to know to make the most of your aerial adventures. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a tech enthusiast, buckle up as we uncover the incredible capabilities of the DJI Avata 2. If you're interested in this drone, check out the link in the description below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. First up, let's talk about the design and build. The Avata 2 is slightly lighter than its predecessor, making it more aerodynamic. This means longer flight times, up to 23 minutes in optimal conditions, though in real-world testing, we found it averaged around 16 minutes with vigorous flying. That's pretty substantial in the FPV world, where flight times are generally short. One of the standout features of the Avata 2 is its incredible FPV experience. Thanks to the new Easy ACRO feature, even beginners can perform basic aerial stunts using the DJI Motion 3 controller. Speaking of controllers, the Fly More bundle comes with the Motion 3 controller, DJI Goggles 3, and other essential accessories. The goggles provide a clear and crisp 1080p 60 frames per second feed, making the flying experience truly immersive. The Avata 2's camera is another highlight. It offers mechanical stabilization on the vertical axis and electronic stabilization with Rocksteady 3.0 and Horizon Steady. You can also turn off the electronic stabilization if you prefer using third-party software like GyroFlow for more customization. The camera has a 1 and 1.3-inch 12-megapixel sensor, capturing video in 4K at up to 60 frames per second, and can go up to 120 frames per second in 2.7K and 1080p for some impressive slow-motion shots. Flying the Avata 2 is a breeze, especially with the Motion 3 controller. You simply pull the trigger to fly forwards and tilt the controller to ascend, descend, or turn. There's also a visual representation in the FPV goggles, showing you where the drone will fly. Super intuitive. For more experienced pilots, the DJI FPV Remote Controller 3 allows for manual mode, giving you full control to perform flips, rolls, and dives. Safety and smart features are plentiful in the Avata 2. It comes with GPS positioning, return to home, and obstacle detection sensors. There's even a beeper that helps you locate the drone if it crashes. Speaking of crashes, the Avata 2 has turtle mode, letting you flip the drone remotely if it ends up upside down. Now, let's not forget the DJI Goggles 3. These have a new design with a battery pack built into the head strap and a forehead pad for added comfort. The goggles also feature a front camera feed, allowing you to check your surroundings without removing them. The menus and settings can be accessed using a 5D button on the goggles or through the Motion 3 controller with an AR cursor. In terms of performance, the Avata 2 is nimble and fast. In manual mode, it can reach speeds up to 60.39 miles per hour, giving you an exhilarating flight experience. In normal mode, it's a bit slower, perfect for capturing smooth and cinematic footage. The camera can shoot in both auto and manual modes, with ND filters available for maintaining optimal shutter speed. Overall, the DJI Avata 2 is a fantastic FPV drone, perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. It's fun to fly, offers great video quality, and is packed with smart features. Whether you're new to FPV flying or looking to upgrade, the Avata 2 is definitely worth considering. And this is the review of DJI Avata 2 drone. If you want more information about this drone, check out the link in the description below. And if you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next video, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.